Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to edit a Facebook profile on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to edit your Facebook profile, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and in your browser just open Facebook. And here, once the Facebook has been opened, you just have to click on your profile option here. You might see your name or your profile photo also. So just click on it to open your profile page. So you might see your profile page here. You will see your friends, your posts, your videos, and your messages you have done. So if you want to edit your profile, just click on edit profile option here, and your page is now changed. So here you will see all of your informations. You can add it or you can add. So if you haven't added any info, so let's start. How can you add? Very first you have to add it or go to intro. So you have to add your bio or about you. Just click on it, and you just have to introduce yourself. So once you have added your bio, just click on save, and your bio will be saved. Now just go to personal details, and here you have to enter your current city or town, and then enter your hometown, then enter your date of birth. Your date of birth will be already added, or if you want to edit it, just click on this pencil icon over here to edit your date of birth. Just click on edit and then edit your date of birth. I'm not going to edit my date of birth. Now just scroll down, and here you'll find the option of status. So just click on it, and here you will see your status. Click on it and you will see that it is single option, or in a relation, engaged, managed, or something else. So I'm gonna select single from here and then click on save. If you want to add any thought, so you can also add it here, but I'm not going to add it. Just click on save and it will be saved. Now here, just enter your family. If you have any family members using Facebook, so you can add them here to your Facebook profile. And here you will see your gender. Your gender will be already selected. But if you want to edit it, just click on this pencil icon to edit your gender. And here you will see your pronouns. So you can also give you a nickname from here. So let's say I'm gonna add a nickname here. And once I have done, just tap on save. Now here, just scroll down and you can also add your languages. So you can add up to 10 languages here. Just click on here, or very first, let's say I'm gonna add English. Then you can also add any else language if you know or if you can speak. So once you have added, just click on save and your languages will be saved. Now just go to the next section, which is work. Click on it. And here you can enter your work experience, then go to education. So you can enter your education, your university name here and your secondary school name here. Then you have to enter your hobbies. So let's say I'm gonna enter hobbies here. Gaming. And once I've entered your hobbies, you just have to click on save. Then enter your interests. You can add your music, your TV programs, your films, games, sports team, and a chat later in which you have interests. Then enter your travel, then links. If you want to add any link to your Facebook profile, so you can add up to 10 links here. Then enter your contact info. So you can also add your phone number, you can link your social media account here, or you can also add your mail address. Then go to names. So here you'll see your name pronunciation and also other names. So you can add nicknames of yourself, and here's some details about you. So in this way you can easily edit your Facebook profile on your PC or on your laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.